y'all, welcome back to another day in the life with Yeada here. For those of you that are new, if you are new on this channel, I do lifestyle, home decor, DIY, and hair videos. So if that's content that you like to watch, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today, y'all, it is Thanksgiving, and first off, I want to say happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. And I also want to say to my subscribers, I am forever grateful and thankful for you, your love, your support, the ones who have been rocking with me since day one, from my very first subscriber to my 4,210th subscriber. I think that's where we at. And everybody in between, I appreciate you guys, the love and support that you guys give me. It does not go unnoticed. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Because it is Thanksgiving and everybody is ready for the food, because I'm ready for the food too, but I'm also ready for the dessert. Okay, so we're about to get ready to bake a cake. Yes, so it is about 10:30ish already, and we gotta have time to do everything and make everything, and I don't want to make it last minute before dinner. So we're about to make a cake, and while that cake is baking, you already know it's almost December 1st, and you know what time that is. It's time to bring some holiday spirit up in the house, okay? So I'm gonna be bringing my Christmas tree in because it's been outside since last year, and we don't want no stiff branches, okay, when I put the tree up. So we're gonna let it come in, warm up a little bit, and then I'm probably gonna put it up tomorrow or Saturday. And I'm gonna be getting some new Christmas decorations. So of course, I'm gonna bring y'all with me. Of course, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. So yes, y'all. But in the meantime, also, I'm just gonna be cleaning up and getting ready for dinner. Dinner is usually about 3-4 o'clock-ish. So yes, we gotta do this hair, put a little makeup on, get cute, take a little pictures. So yeah, let's get started, y'all. All right, y'all, so I just brought my Christmas tree in and it is so cold, so I'm gonna let it sit out, like I said, for definitely overnight, maybe until tomorrow, maybe until Saturday. But this is a 7.5 foot pre-lit tree. I got this from At Home last year. The regular price was $180, but I think I got it on sale. Well, I definitely got it on sale, but I want to say I paid like maybe $79 for it versus $179. So really good deal when I got it. But yes, the At Home store, I know they got their trees probably on sale, so go check it out. All right, y'all, so my cake is almost ready. It's got the house smelling good, okay? It's been in the oven now for, I put it on an hour, 15 minutes. But when I checked it, it wasn't ready. So I let it go an additional like 15, 20 minutes or so. But so I'm about to get ready to pull that out. And then I'm going to get dressed. So figure out what I'm going to wear. Fix up my hair. I'm going to throw some curls back in the bottom. And then put on a little bit of makeup. And we're going to get out of here because my mom called and was like, dinner is going to be at 2:30. Whole time I was thinking like 3, 4 o'clock. So I'm thinking I got time, but I really don't. So, but that's okay because I'm hungry. I haven't ate anything today except for these porkless pork rinds, y'all, from Trader Joe's. Let me show y'all. They are so fire, like so good. These are what I'm talking about. These is from Trader Joe's. They are plant-based pork, spicy porkless snack rinds, and it's basically seasoned rice and pea snack. So good. And I think these only like $2.99, but they're 7 grams of protein, gluten-free and vegan. So good, y'all. So I just been snacking on those, and then I'm trying to keep my stomach ready for all this other food that I'm finna eat. So I'm like, let me not fill myself up. Let me just eat a snack. And yeah. Oh, there go the oven. So I'm about to pull this cake out and then I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so I am dressed and ready, hair done, makeup done, outfit check, and yeah, we about to go and get us some of this good old Thanksgiving food. My cake turned out perfect. It has been cooling off at least for a good hour now, so we're about to head out. I'll show you guys how it looks when it's next to all that good old delicious food, and then and yeah, so let's go and get on the road. Hopefully it's no traffic, which I'm pretty sure it probably will be some traffic, but we just gonna hope for the best. So let's go. So I just pulled up at my grandma's, and before I go in, I had to show y'all how I did the cake. Like, baby had to get in a seatbelt because I drive fast and we weren't trying to have this cake slipping and sliding. So yeah, but I'm finna go in here and get some food because your girl is hangry, okay? So I'll see you guys when I get inside. Yeah, say what's up. Dad.
Grant, She went to country market. They were sold out of
Charlotte Angel.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Y'all, check out my uncle. Okay, come on. I got the shoes. He want me to get the whole fit. Wait, we gotta get the belt. We gotta get the belt. Look.
Get the glass.
I gotta get the glass. Y'all, we is stoked to the max. Hey. Say what's up to the vloggy vlog.
Hey, vloggy vlog.
Hey, vlog.
Y'all gonna be all over the places.
Who finna get beat on the Uno table? You gonna win, Zozo? Why you crying?
7. Let Peyton hold some of yours, Zuri.
Siege, you gonna win?
Okay. What color is blue? Oh, you can't show them our cards. So what color? Tell me what color you gonna be ready to put out.
You got a good hand.
This is the
You
color
got a
you
good
gotta
hand.
look for.
Okay.
Don't show, you can't show. Don't show.
What y'all? Are y'all stacking?
Yeah, he just stacked this now.
So we are stacking?
Yeah.
Zozo, you ready to win? You gonna win? Yeah. You don't want to see me in the game.
Oh,
Cause I'm winning.
Okay.
I'm winning. Peter, I'm winning.
Yeah, it's my game.
Come here, Zozo. Tell him.
Y'all gotta come in on the next
Come here, Zozo. Come here. Come here. Say what's up to YouTube. Say what's up to YouTube. Tell them that TTA is the winner.
TTA is in the winner.
I'm the winner. I'm the winner.
So, say you.
You the winner too. So we learning a TikTok dance.
Okay.
And we gonna post it, okay?
See, you know what I'm doing?
Do it one more time.
Okay.
There you go, D. D.
Bow. Yeah.
No, I'm good. I'm just saying I need another roll in the refrigerator. Another roll.
What'd you say?
Take a shirt off.
Oh, God.
Chili.
Hi. We got
Chili,
all the
chili
cards.
flipping.
So I was
Chili
Another word
running.
for flippy. Another word for flippy.
You can't turn it. Oh.
cards.
Come on.
Yes, look at them.
Okay, pass.
Do the I Dream of Genie.
Okay.
That you.
What color is that?
Okay.
I got
Look.
Take it off.
I got red.
Yeah.
You want him to read those lips.
Black.
What you got? What you got in that card? Oh!
She know she owes me some dad. She owes some dad at some money.
You got some money.
Let me see, man. Let me see how much you got.
You got some money. Thank you, Grandma.
Tweet, let me read it, Tweet.
Some paper wrapped around.
What?
Tweet got her deposit.
Decided to join the festivities.
Oh man, straight from the gig, yes sir.
I'm going on YouTube.
Send it right to her mama.
I'm not doing Big bro.
Yes sir. Y'all know the vibes.
You want me to hold it to you, man?
No, I'm putting it on my card.
So alright, so my grandma gave us our Christmas money. We going shopping or no? Shopping. Alright, you guys, so I have made it back home and your girl is full and tired and I just want to relax. So I am going to close out this vlog here. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. If so, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Glamour Squad. Follow me on Instagram at glamour_chick and TikTok at Yeada_B, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.